Hey everyone, do you want to actually make Discord better? Because today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial, no fluff, just the good stuff. And yeah, please don't tell anyone. So let's jump right in. But before I show you how to install Vencord on your computer, let's talk about frequently asked questions. So here, if I go to FAQ, you will see this very important question. Will I get banned for using Vencord? Will plugin X get me banned? Client modifications are apparently against Discord's terms of service. However, Discord is pretty indifferent about them and there are no known cases of users getting banned for using client mods. So you should generally be fine as long as you don't use any plugins that implement abusive behavior, but no worries, all inbuilt plugins are safe to use. So regardless if your account is very important to you and it getting disabled would be disaster for you, you should probably not use any client mods, not exclusive to Vencord, just to be safe. So yeah, apparently client modifications are against Discord's terms of service. However, I think it's totally safe to use. So right now, let me show you one clear benefit of what you will get by installing this Vencord modification on your Discord client. So here, if you go to the plugins, I can search for fake nitro, and I think that this is the most important plugin to install if you have the Vencord installed on your computer. So this one is called Fake Nitro and it allows you to stream in nitro quality, send fake emoji stickers, and also use client themes and custom Discord notifications. So right now, let me just show you how to install Vencord on your computer. Just simply go here to the download button. Here you will find 4 options: Windows, Linux, Mac, and browser. Yes, you guys can also install this modification for Discord on your browser as well, just by installing the extension. Now here I have Windows. I will click on Windows and click on download Vencord installer.exe. In some cases this installer doesn't open, so make sure that you download this other option with the CLI. Now once you have the .exe file, here I will go to the file explorer and I will just double left click on this Vencord installer. Now here we can see this very simple Vencord installer. It should detect that you have Discord installed in your local disk C directory, and here what you will do to install it, just click on install option right here. Now you will also see here a message successfully patched. If Discord is still open, fully close it first and then start it and verify Vencord installed successfully by looking for its category in Discord settings. And now once you've successfully installed the Vencord on your computer, just go here to the user settings, and here on the left you should see this Vencord segment of settings. Now, if you click here on Vencord, you will see here that it successfully enabled the custom CSS, and then down below you also have a few more options. For example, you can also enable window transparency. Now, to install custom themes and plugins on your Discord client, you will go here under the Vencord settings, you will click on plugins, and now the first plugin which I highly recommend to install is called Fake Nitro. Now, before you enable it, you can just click on this gear icon and you will see what this modification will actually do. It allows you to stream in nitro quality, as I mentioned before, and also send fake emoji stickers, user client themes, and custom Discord notifications. Now here down below, you will also find enable emoji bypass. You can also, for example, change here emoji size, transform emojis, enable sticker bypass as well. And down below, you'll also find a few more options like enable stream quality bypass. So it will allow you to stream in nitro quality. So here you will just click on save and close. And now you can also enable it right here. Now on top, you will find the restart required button. Just click on it. Now another plugin which I highly recommend you to install is called Always Animate. And what this one will do, it animates anything that can actually be animated. So here I highly recommend that you enable it. And you guys can also install this one, which is blur NSFW. So blur attachments in NSFW channels until hovered. So if you click on the gear icon, you can see here that you can change amount of the blur. So in pixels, here by default it's set to 10, but let's say we can put this to 50, and now just enable this plugin just like you did for the one before. Now here down below, you can also add call timer to your Discord client, so it will display how many of the minutes you've been in a certain call. You can just enable it right here, and then here on top you will also find this really cool option or this really cool plugin, which is better settings. Now make sure that you enable this one as well, so it will enhance your settings menu opening experience. Now the next plugin which I also highly recommend to install is called Picture in Picture. So what this one will do, it will add Picture in Picture to videos next to the download button. You guys can also enable this one. And the next plugin to install, which I highly recommend, is called Clean URLs. So what this one will do, it removes tracking garbage from URLs. It's so very simple and straightforward. Just enable it right here. And now I will click on Restart to apply all of the plugins. Now, in case if you want to remove any of the plugins from your Vencord, you can just go here to Show All and click here on Show Enabled. And now here you can just remove or toggle them off right here. Now let's talk about themes. So for the themes, you will have to use Better Discord themes and load them inside the Vencord client right here. Or you guys can just paste the online themes links right here. So let me show you how to install a very simple theme. Go to betterdiscord.app website. I will also put this link in the video description down below, by the way. And if you guys are enjoying this type of content, make sure that you smash up the like button because it really helps to reach the wider audience, and also subscribe to the channel. Your support is highly appreciated, by the way. Now here, what you will do, you will go here to the themes, and on the Better Discord website, you will pretty much find a ton of the themes to pick from. I will show you how to install this very simple theme, which is called Frosted Glass. This one has around 900k of downloads. So here what you will do, you will click on the theme you want to install, and then here what you can do, you can go to click on the download button. And now here you should get this Frosted Glass theme.css file. Now you can go back to your Discord client, and now you can click on Open Themes folder. Now you can see here that there's no themes. What you will do, you will open your new tab, go to your downloads folder, and make sure that you cut this theme to the themes folder inside the Vencord folder. Now, once you have it here, you can go back to your Discord client and you can click here on load missing themes, and you guys can just simply enable it like so. You can see that theme actually changed right here, and you can see that it looks very, very nice indeed. And there's also another way to install themes by using the Vencord client, and this one is by going here to the themes, and you guys can also go here to online themes. So what you will do here, you will have to just paste in the link. So here you can go back to the Better Discord website, click on the themes, and let's install here a completely different theme. For example, let's go with Spotify Discord. So if you click on it, you can go here to the GitHub page, click on the Spotify Discord repository, and here you will have to copy the link for this file. Make sure that it ends by CSS. Make sure that you copy this link right here, and now you can go to the themes and make sure that you are here under the online themes, and make sure that you paste this link inside. And now the last thing to do is to click on enter, and it should apply the theme for you. And now here down below, you will also see the validator. So you can see here that the link is valid and that the theme is actually right now applied. Now, let's say you don't want to use the Vencord anymore on your Discord client. You can simply remove it by using the installer, so the program you used to install it with. So here I have this Vencord installer. I will just right now quit the Discord from my system tray. So you have to fully quit Discord before uninstalling it, and then go to the Vencord installer right here. And once you have this open, you can just simply click on uninstall, and now you can see successfully unpatched. Now, once you've done that, you can go here back to the user settings, and you won't find any of the Vencord settings right here. It means that you successfully uninstalled Vencord from your Discord client. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, make sure that you smash up the like button on this video and also subscribe to the channel. Your support is actually highly appreciated. By the way, if you need a brand new wallpaper, I made a brand new wallpaper pack, which you can also check out in the video description below. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you all around in the next video.